Hey fam, what up? Welcome back to the channel. How's it going?
What's up?
So, we got some new stuff we're adding into the channel here. Some stuff to keep us busy while we're self-isolating in quarantine. We're getting into FPV.
Yep, so we've turned the garage, I've successfully talked him into turning a section of the garage into Flight Central. Yeah, we now have Flight Central in the garage. We've got the truck side, now we've got Flight Central.
Yep, and we got Liftoff on the computer. As you guys can see here, we got Liftoff FPV simulator. It cost us 20 bucks. It's well worth it because we've probably saved thousands of dollars worth of drones already. Because I guarantee you, if we crashed as much as we've crashed on this simulator, we would have wasted a lot of money in drones.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys, we're going to get to that in a minute. That's mostly what this video is about, is the flight simulator. We want to show you guys what it's all about and show you what we've learned and introduce FPV to the channel. Right here I got this little Tiny Hawk Freestyle, and with the batteries on it, it's a little 2.5-inch drone it runs on 2S. It's a little freestyle drone. We're trying to learn how to fly that. The next video we do is going to be us taking that to the park. We're going to take it to an open park and see how well we can fly it and let you guys watch.
Yep.
And this one, I got another one right here. This is the first one I got, and I dropped it out of the sky and it broke the board right here. But anyway, we got a bunch of upgrade parts coming for this one, and we're going to deck this one out with all upgraded parts and make it better.
Yeah.
Right here, this is my controller. His controller, he's got the same controller except it's white, and we're using that one on the computer for the flight simulator. And this is my controller, and it's bound to this drone.
Yeah.
And then he got his set of goggles right here. Turn them on, bro. He got his goggles. I got the same exact ones coming. And those are already hooked up to this drone. And we can record the footage on them too.
Yeah, built-in DVR. And for those who want to actually look it up, they're the Eachine what, EV100s? EV800s?
EV800D. Yeah, they're EV800D. Eachine EV800D. It's a great beginner goggle because the cost is low and it still lets you record the footage.
Yeah.
Let me show you guys what they look like. So that's the view on the drone that we're going to have with these on our head. See if we can get it to focus here. There we go. That's a pretty good image. Hey, Tommy.
What's up, yo?
Yeah, guys.
Holding a drone.
So this is the stuff we'll be using on the next video to show you guys our first flight with the Tiny Hawk Freestyle. Anyway, guys, let's get into what this video is about. It's about the Liftoff FPV simulator. And then we're going to screen record and let you guys watch what we do. So let's check out this Liftoff FPV simulator. You guys let us know what you think.
Have fun.
Here we go, guys. Here's the simulator. It's a really nice simulator. Watch this, what we've learned already. Upside down, baby. Almost hit the tree. Now into a dive. Alright guys, I just got done with my simulator runs, and this really wasn't a competition. We're just showing you guys what we've learned on the simulator so far. So that was my runs, and now it's Tommy's turn.
Yep. It may not get I might not get a lot of points, but it'll look cool.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Thank you for flying It's awkward as well because it's still record the audio. Get a lot of points, but it's gonna look tree. Now push hard. And record and push hard. Oh, crashing, glitching, crashing, going down. Mulligan. It starts recording late. Gotta push it a few seconds.
Alright guys, Tommy just got done with his runs. You guys let us know down in the comments what you thought about it. We decided to learn on a simulator first to save ourselves money. In the next video though, we're going to take that little tiny hawk out to a park. So if you guys enjoy that kind of stuff, make sure to subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed it.
Yep. Well, I hope you like my video. As you see, we crashed in the simulator, saving ourselves from crashing this little thing. Because the first one, when it hit the ground, it seemed okay, but after that, it was just like it just decided to give up on life. So yeah, we don't want to go through that again.
Yeah, the simulator is really cool, guys. If you guys are wanting to get into FPV, I highly recommend this Liftoff simulator. It's taught us a lot. It's saved us a lot of money. It's been fun. It's gave us something to do at home, staying out of trouble and away from people.
Yep. And if you don't have Tyrannus or actual RC remote laying around, you can use an Xbox controller. So
yeah. Most of y'all have an Xbox, huh?
Yeah, everybody's got an Xbox.
Anyway, guys, peace out. We'll see you on the next video.
Later.